Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 22nd of April 2025. Today Bursa also weak. Now it's only 3:30 p.m. but I doubt market can go anywhere. Okay, it's just horrible another horrible day Okay. We do have quite a lot of news. Most of them about trade war They just now market is just frenzy Just want to cover. Just want to make gain view just hantam anything about trade war, just hantam, burn, escalate Okay, just like that So you can see tons of news on this trade war Okay. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, all these blow up news about China better, US stronger, China stronger, or China AI better, then some news saying USA. All these blow up news doesn't matter for now. The only thing you need to matter is whether China and US can nego or not, and whether they can agree or not. Only these two. Other than that, all these blow up everywhere. It doesn't matter for me if you ask me it doesn't matter anymore. Of course, you want to follow the news, you can follow the news. I'm not saying you cannot follow the news but the only thing now we need to know whether the economy, the market will turn bullish or bearish. As an investor, as a trader, investor, right? You only want to know whether they can talk, whether China and US can settle the dispute or not. Only this only. Okay, that is the only thing that you need to. I mean, for me to cover, to really look into every day there's tons of news talk about US talk bad about China talk bad about US, all these things Okay. Now Bursa is 1485 okay. Drop 13 points, 13.9 points, 0.929%. Okay, Singapore up 0.836%, Hong Kong up 0.41%, South Korea dropped 0.072%, Japan dropped 0.173%, Thailand dropped 0.235%, China FTSE up 0.334%, China SSE up 0.253%, China SXSE dropped 0.358%, Australia dropped 0.031%, Taiwan dropped 1.637%, and India Nifty up 0.222%. UK FTSE dropped 0.073%, and DAX dropped 0.535%. I think this is I think yesterday there's no market okay. I think Europe no market okay. Yeah, okay. So this is old data okay. Look at US. Dow Jones dropped 2.551%, S&P dropped 0.76%. Sorry, Dow Jones dropped 2.483%, NYSE dropped 1.823%, S&P dropped 2.351%, 2.357%, and Nasdaq dropped 2.551%. Okay, so all this market, for me market will not have any significant movement or any rebound or any bull market unless China and US can settle the tariff and the trade war or else every day you see everyone try to calling any news possible anything that they can hear, they are boring. Every day your YouTube, your news or newspaper or your social media blow up with all these news all these news are just generating view as I said it's generating view okay. Or all these blow up story now doesn't mean much unless they talk any blow up news also it's just for creating for people to follow for everyone to follow Okay, I mean if you want to follow, it's okay lah. If you want to follow every news, it's okay. But most likely, for me, it doesn't matter lah. The only thing is whether they can, US and China can settle this dispute. Of course, there are some about Japan or some about. Of course, Malaysia one you want to watch lah. Malaysia tariff you want to watch lah. But all the other blow up news, it actually doesn't matter. Okay. The only thing you want to continue watching is whether there are any result or any negotiation between US and China and any result or not. Then you have to follow lah. Or else gold keep on going up lah. It's 3,500, almost reached 3,500 lah. Okay. So look at crude palm oil 4180 keep on dropping. Crude oil 66. Brent oil 66. Crude oil 63. Gold is 3,479 lah. So they expect 1,500 lah. Market expect it to reach 3,500. Sorry. Silver is $232.39 up a bit. 4.3830. Actually, dollar dropped quite a lot lah. Okay, since the trade war. Okay, Bitcoin 88,002 and Ethereum 1590. So there's some momentum in the for Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin looks more convincing. Okay, Bitcoin almost breaking through. Okay, Bitcoin almost breaking through resistance. Okay, 88,009. Okay, so almost breaking resistance. So we got some red color. So looks like Bitcoin really got a chance to go to break through. But we have to see continuation. Means tonight we don't see a pullback in the US market. Okay, in the US market we see a big sell down, then probably it's a fake one. Okay, Ethereum didn't follow. Ethereum didn't follow 2% up, but it's not strong enough. Litecoin, okay, Litecoin trying to break through, but also cannot. So we have to wait a little bit more lah. Okay, SRP, Cardano, also no breakout. Solana also no breakout. Avalanche also. So of course Bitcoin is a big brother lah. Bitcoin need to break through first lah. Okay, Bitcoin need to break through first. So still not. I'm not convinced yet that it can actually break through and continue up lah. Okay, we have to wait and see. With so much risk in the market, okay, I doubt it can be so strong. Okay, now it's 337. Let's look at Bursa. Now it's 1485, dropped 13.83 points, 0.92%, 2.977 billion volume. Okay, so sentiment is 24. Gainers 223, losers 672, unchanged 359, untraded is 1171. Yesterday, foreign fund again, net sell 101 million, local institution net buy 101 million, so local retail no. Next reach target, I think came back down, people start to sell already, reach target already. Okay, other than that, not much happening. Look at the sector, all red. Construction, all in percentage, construction dropped 1.54, consumer dropped 0.55, energy dropped 1.27, finance dropped 1.00. Healthcare dropped 2.2. You know, yesterday there's a article, right? There's a news saying that they don't. I mean the glove is still oversupply. Okay, still oversupply. And despite Chinese glove get all these high tariff going to US, but they will certainly, if they cannot go to US, they will certainly flood all the other market with this tons of cheap glove lah. So it's still very difficult for the glove. Industry drop 1.32, plantation drop 0.2, property drop 1.67, rate drop 0.16, technology drop 1.3, telco drop 0.71, transportation drop 0.21, utilities drop 0.97. Actually today quite bad all red, quite bad. Okay, look at the sector. Look at KLSE. Okay, KLSE we got a gap down today. Okay, gap down. Okay, we got a gap down or drop 0.94. So as I said yesterday, right? I said it really close the gap. Okay, so straight away it start to drop lah. Ace market dropped 0.8% also. Looks like the resistance here 4,656 difficult to break. This one also mother and son mid cap mother and son dropped below the mother's leg already, drop 1.23, and a small cap drop 0.7. So looks quite bad also. Okay, also gap down a bit. Construction Okay, consumption expected. It come here. Okay, come to this double top, right? Okay, double top neckline here started to mean wave by wave going down lah. Okay, healthcare now. Healthcare also lah. Okay, healthcare also looks like let me see. Okay, breaking down. Support. So it's still we can't say it's bull bearish lah, but I think it's sideways lah. Okay, it's like probably will sideways a bit lah. Okay. Finance will drop again lah. Finance all came back to test the resistance, almost test the resistance, starting to drop also. Industry also almost reached the resistance area, drop again. Okay, almost reached 150. Okay, properties also we got double top, so what can they do? Not much lah. Okay, it's dropping again. We retrace, come back a bit, it's dropping again. Nothing much lah, nothing much happening. Technology, we got mother and son, so it now drop below mother's leg, also looks like dropping also. Okay lah. Still very weak. Look at Facebook. It's like that lah. Today you look at the market, it's like that lah. What can I say? See what John Sniper say.
Definition of cheap and can always get cheaper. In my opinion, I think the market is waiting to see what unfolds between the two countries and whether a mutual ground can be met. On top of that, tensions with Fed Chair JP as well. A lot of uncertainty coming in a package. Eyes.
Yeah, I think Trump want to sack this Jerome Powell lah, but he cannot lah. Cannot simply sack lah. He need to get a lot of support. Wait and see lah. Okay, because the president doesn't have direct power to sack the Fed chair lah. But he can do it using other pressure, other way lah. Okay, we want to see how it goes lah. Tak Lau say didn't reach 1,005. Chan say need to have patience. Kiwi say as long as we see photo like this, may have hope lah. China and US meeting lah. Okay, then maybe have hope lah. Jiyong, biggest economy in the world based on PPP. I think it's purchasing power, right? I think China number one lah. Okay, China number one, US number two lah. As I said lah, all these China is claiming they are number one on this. Or their car is number one, their self-driving is number one, their phone is number one, and US also some also claim that their technology is way above China. So all these counter-claim, all this now, right? All these news it doesn't matter. Okay, I mean, if you ask me what matter is whether they can settle or not. Claim and counter-claim, everyone also claiming lah. Okay. Can Bursa down to 1288? Anything can happen AQ Grace. Trump, you are fired. Terry. he's trying to fire Jerome Powell lah. I think Jerome Powell, if he don't manage to fire him, I think next year he'll be out lah. I mean his service end 2026 next year. What's this? About guitar.
Congratulations to the teacher who worked hard and persevered for breaking through 18K. I remember seeing you playing guitar in a special episode a long time ago. When you break through 20K, you will play a song, Glory Days. Haha. The current stock market can only play I am angry. Ha ha ha. In any case, I will cheer for you, teacher. I am optimistic about you. Thumbs up.
Thank you, LV, thank you. Okay, 20,000, yeah, maybe good idea. I'll play one music. Now, yeah, I can play. I am angry only. All is a beyond song Glory days, yeah, maybe. Need to practice a bit. Long time didn't practice. Okay, thank you for your comment. Yeah, glory days. Possible. Good. Make good suggestion. Okay, have some fun with the guitar also. HS plant in nature can hold. After all this trade war, all this all have to redraw. All lari already, all the chart all koyak already after the trade war started. Okay. Okay lah, his plan as long as stay above 1.76 is okay. As long as stay above here lah, okay, it's okay. Okay, 1.7 is okay lah. For long term it's okay. In nature, they rebound a bit. Now slow down. In nature, I think trying to make a bottom here lah. Trying to make a bottom at 0.14. We got one spike, but that's it. Then we have to wait lah. We have to wait. Lah. Okay. Nothing much happening lah. Okay, you just need to wait. 0.145 lah. Any big rebound, chance to run first Okay. Ouch. Aaron, slow day. Please do something, Darren. You're asking Trump to do something. We cannot do anything Get lost. Only Trump can do something, or China presidency can do something Okay. There's a lot of uncertainty Okay, correct G. John Sniper say a lot of uncertainty. G, sleeping. Darren, you're fired. Darren. Okay. What's this? I need you to do something for me. Okay, let's look at some news.
South Korean exports down 5.2% in first 20 days of April.
Okay.
Kaya Mata Sarawak wins Kuching project.
Okay.
Kaya Mata Sarawak BHD has clinched a RM550mil contract from the Sarawak state government to construct the Borneo Convention Centre Kuching 2 in Kuching, Sarawak.
Okay, 550 million. CMSB remain is 1 ringgit. You need to break through 1 ringgit. If you cannot break through 1 ringgit, it's not enough momentum. Today got news, but not volume also not up. The stock also not up. Also, it's not no momentum yet. Okay.
US finalizes tariffs on Southeast Asian solar imports.
Okay. So we kena 41%. Where else Thailand kena 375. There is this Cambodia kena 3,500%. So we have considered okay 41%. Okay, one of the lowest I think. Still not too bad Okay.
金务大可能为
GAMUDA may bag extra jobs for estimated RM4 bill ULU Padas Dam project.
Okay, but that's dam project
GAMUDA BHD is expected to secure additional construction contracts from the ULU Padas hydroelectric dam project, which is scheduled for completion by 2030. CIMB Securities said aside from generating electricity, the dual-purpose dam is also designed to address water supply issues in Sabah through the ULU PADAS water supply scheme, which is linked to the project.
Okay, GAMUDA still no breakthrough yet lah. No breakthrough. 4.38 lah. I need to break out. At least break out 4.38. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Break out 4.38. Still.
US stocks sink as Trump renews criticism of Powell.
Okay.
U.S. stocks stumbled as renewed attacks by U.S. President Donald Trump on Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell added to concerns about the central bank's independence, Xinhua reported. OCBC revises Brent forecast to $67 United States per barrel, expects CPO at RM550mil per ton.
Okay, so they don't expect to go up a lot lah, the oil and the palm oil.
Car sales grow 12 PCT in March, softer April volume expected.
Okay.
Airline complaints jump 34 PCT in 2H24, says Mavcom.
But Malcolm said most of the complaint they managed to handle it lah.
Home Ministry launches probe into incomplete Jalur Gemilang video at Baby Expo.
Another probe lah into this Malaysia flag that wasn't displayed, I think, properly in the expo. Also a lot of this now after this newspaper issue right now coming, we got this so a lot of this.
Malaysia to feel the pinch from new US solar tariffs.
Okay, we also feel the pinch even with the lower tariff.
Sapura Holdings winding up case postponed to Wednesday as brothers seek settlement.
Okay. A quick message before I go to the top gainers.
Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So you want to open account with CGS to invest Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a remiser, very friendly guy. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, the Luno, you want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using, you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link okay.
Top gainers also not many lah. Okay. KSC, KSL, Tech Cycle. KSL today are 4%, exactly at the resistance. Also, it haven't really broken through lah. Okay, it haven't really broken through 1.58. Now it's 1.54 lah. So you need to monitor. This one might go higher, but you need to monitor a few more days whether it can break to 1.54. Break to 1.54, maybe got chance. Volume got up 700 over 1,000, average to 1.95 million lah. So volume there is up. So this one you might want to watch lah. Okay, you might have you might get a chance to rebound. Tech Cycle. Okay, Tech Cycle exactly at resistance now. Okay, 7.22%. So this one also, you need to clear, stay above 1 ringgit. I think better lah. Now it's 1.0. Now exactly at 1.04 lah. So we want to see whether it can break through. I think you consolidate here, maybe wait for the next wave whether it can break through. This one is still 50-50 whether it can break through. Okay, we still have to wait a bit whether it can really break out. It haven't break out, but I mean there are signs that it can go higher lah. Okay, the sign because got this red color momentum breakout. I think it still got chance lah, but not yet really clear. Not yet really clear the resistance yet lah. Okay, Bokong broken through. Okay, so Bokong look like you want to go higher lah. Still got chance to go higher lah. Okay, but I'm not very keen, but very high lah. Okay, volume up 800 over 1,000 to 2.3 million lah. So it broken through this one. Okay, looks like it might be able to go to 1.23. Okay. Next GDRB. Okay, next G, you see, it reached our target exactly now, starting to sell down already. Now 2% up. Volume is 30 million, average to 72 million. So you see, starting to create pin bar lah. All these take profit area lah. You want to for short term lah. For short term, this. I'm not saying that it cannot retrace a bit. Okay, retrace a bit and break out and continue. But I mean, if you are playing one wave up lah, this is the this take profit area already reached lah. Resistance I put it very clear, 0.35. So it hit 0.35, starting to sell already. The short term traders are selling lah. Okay. DRB Highcom also got some momentum today, up 3.9%, 2.9 million average, now it's 2.6. So this one, DRB need to wait for this. One need to break out above this 0.69. If you break through 0.69, then maybe got chance. For now, it's new. Maybe trying to make a bottom, but no breakout yet. Okay, no breakout yet. Okay, so that's it for today. Nothing much. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Stay in the race. Stay in the race. Don't simply say, oh, market nothing. I don't want to watch. I don't want to know. You must know when market is bad. So if you know what kind of sign market is bad, you know when market is going to turn good. Or else if you don't want to monitor, then maybe my market is up, everybody will buy, then market is very high, then you are the one that then only you want to buy, then you are the last one to buy. Okay, talk to you tomorrow.